Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So last night I just colored my hair using a recommendation, and this is the new Clairol Bold and Bright in the shade Wild Blackberry. Yes, Wild Blackberry. And um yeah, I am so happy that more drugstore companies are starting to like branch out into more darker colors for like fashion colors, like blue black. I feel like blue black is so popular, but yet not high up there as like reds and blondes and browns. Like with black, I feel like they just do a jet black and one blue black, or they do like a soft black and just a jet black, and they don't do blue black. But I feel like lately more companies are starting to add to their blue black line, which is amazing because I did just see that Schwarzkopf just redid their keratin color. So now it's a bonding one, which I did just order. And I did notice that the Clairol Natural Instincts has a bold and bright and blue black as well. And I'm not sure if I did that one yet, but I saw it and was like, it said new, so I'm not 100% sure if I did or not. I'll have to look back. But this one was recommended, and this one's kind of cool because it comes with a color boosting glaze packet inside. So like after a week or two of washing your hair, if you notice that the color's kind of faded and dull, you could just revamp it with the color boosting gel or glaze. So I thought that was kind of cool. Like not many hair colors have that. So it kind of will like make it last, which is awesome. It didn't see anything on the box anywhere stating that it's 100% gray coverage. So we'll have to play it by ear on that and see how well that works, because I have a lot of pure white hair color and it needs to be covered. So it covered it right now, but I don't know if it's going to last throughout the washes. And if it does, then that's awesome. Like that's amazing. Because usually when they don't say that it's gray coverage, it usually just means it'll like be on your hair and then just kind of wash off. So we will see about that. But I was kind of disappointed when I saw that it didn't say gray coverage at all. But, you know, we're going to play around with that. I'm not going to like wash my hair every single day to see how many washes it really takes. I will do what I normally do, my one wash a week, and let that, you know, I'm just going to do the true test of time of when I wash my hair. So I got this color from Walmart. It is very gentle. At first I was like, oh no, it's giving me the itchies, but it literally like only when I put it on my roots, it itched for like a little bit. But then once I started like really getting into doing my hair and doing the rest of it, like it kind of dissipated and just disappeared. I don't know. But that was fine. I was totally okay with that because it made the whole rest of the process like so much easier. What else was I gonna say? Oh, it has, to me, it kind of smelled a little fruity. Not like overpowering where you like really needed ventilation. It was just more of like you pop the cap open and it kind of had like a fruity scent to it, but that was it. And it didn't make your hair smell like, my hair smells like my shampoo and conditioner, and it does not smell like hair dye whatsoever, and it does not smell like that fruity, whatever the fruity scent I smelled. So yeah, you don't need to worry about ventilation at all. Now let's get into this color. Now I was debating on doing like just a regular black or doing the blue black, and I realized I completely forgot to update on the last hair color, and that kind of made me determine my decision on going to a blue black because it faded to such a dark brown and I really wanted to go darker. And I always feel like in the summer, I always need to go darker. Like while other people are going, sorry, there was a spider and it moved, and I want to make sure I kill it like after I make this video. So anyways, I tend to go darker while other people like to go blonder and lighter and whatnot. I tend to do the opposite in the summer because I feel like dark hair, dark skin, or tan skin or whatever just looks so beautiful and exotic that that's what I do. So I like going darker, and that's kind of what made my decision, like, let's just go full on blue black. And yeah. So it's very sunny out today. Hopefully I could convince the kids to let's go outside so I can get some photos and see what it looks like in the sun. But I'm already loving it because I can see the blue. Like, it is very beautiful. And it's so dark, and I love that. The one thing I do have to say is that it does stain your skin. I was fortunate enough to get it off my skin, like around my hairline. Like, I think just like this spot right here and this spot. I don't know if it's just because I have lots of baby hairs that like maybe it just looks like it's on my skin and it's just not. But I had a couple spots on my wrist that were just kind of hard to get off. I don't know if it's picking it up, but I have a couple spots that are still showing blue that I could not get off. But overall, it comes off the skin pretty well, I feel. But getting it off your sink in your tub, you need to do something afterwards, after like rinsing your hair color out, because it does stain a lot. So you're going to need some scrub bubbles or bleach or whatever you use for bathroom cleaner that can really get that color off. It'll, like, every time it drips, it'll stain. So just be careful. I was warned that it does kind of bleed, and I wore this shirt on purpose because I don't really care about it that much, that it did stain my shirt while I was sleeping. It did bleed, not on my pillowcase, surprisingly. It just bled on the back of my shirt. So it did not bleed on my shirt when my hair was wet, which didn't make sense. Like, I did put like my hair products in, and it didn't bleed, nothing like that. So that's a good thing. But yeah, I really like the color. I will show you what it looks like when I turn around. We'll go over to more into the window light so you could see. But I definitely could see the blue, especially in my vanity lights. And like, I have a mirror over here, and I can see the blue from the window, like, shining on it. So I'm not really sure that the camera is picking up on the blueness, but I will turn around and we will see what it looks like in this lighting. But okay, can you see some of that blue? Let's see if we, okay. You see the blue when I like play with my hair and move it? That looks so pretty. And this is just a natural lighting. I was able to see the blue in my vanity lights, and I could see the blue in my bathroom lighting, and that's like a warmer light than my vanity lights. I think they're like just straight up like white lights in my vanity. But yeah, I really like this. This color is just so pretty. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the sun. Like, I really hope that it's got like a big blue halo. Like, all right, so I screwed up and completely forgot to leave any feedback on the Bond Bar black hair color. So I guess I'll just do like a quick review on that because I screwed up. I didn't even take any pictures to show you like what the hair color looked like after like 4 washes and stuff. I completely failed on that part before jumping into this. Basically the hair color lasted. My whites didn't show up until like they needed to be redone. Like, they just grew in themselves, and like the color stayed on my whites. The only thing that I didn't like was that I felt like the black faded pretty quickly. I feel like it only lasted about like 2 weeks as a black, and then it faded more to a dark brown, which would have been fine when when I was looking for that type of brown. It just definitely went to like a really nice cool tone dark brown. And now that I decided to go back to black, like it kind of defeated the purpose of staying black, but you know, whatever, it is what it is. And that was kind of the decision that I had, was like I had another just jet black color to use that I bought off Amazon. It was like a bonding treatment or system of hair color that I found on Amazon, some random brand. And it was just black because that was the only color that they offered. They didn't do blue black. And I kind of figured since I wanted to go darker, I just decided to do this when I was recommended that this was a new bold and bright. And I was like, yes, yes, yes. So that was kind of the reason why I did this color, because it faded to such a dark brown that I wanted something super dark. And I didn't know if I would actually be able to achieve that with that color, since it's a brand I never heard of and a hair color that I've never tried before. Like I didn't know if it would actually give me the boom dark black that I was looking for and craving. And I didn't want to like do it like the next week being like, oh, I did not get what I wanted out of this color, and then redo it just to go darker. Yeah, so I will definitely update on my Instagram about this. I know I totally failed the last week, or the last hair color. That was a lot more of like too much craziness and like issues that I was dealing with since after surgery. I've been having lots of like complications and stuff, so I've kind of forgot completely that I didn't update. So I just, yeah. On the days that I feel good, I just completely forget and just enjoy my life. And then I just realized last night that I didn't do an update. So I'm very, very sorry about that. Usually I'm really good at like trying to stay on top of the whole, like letting you guys know what the color does, the good, the bad, the ugly. I don't sugarcoat anything. I just tell you how it is. Like if I don't like the hair color, I don't like the hair color. But that color I didn't have a problem with. I would just wish it was darker, and I wish it lasted like longer black wise than washing out to like a dark brown. But you know what it is. It is what it is. And so yes, I will definitely update. And if there's any other recommendations, let me know in the comments below. I have seen that Schwarzkopf revamped their keratin color, and it's now a bonding treatment, so I can't wait to try that. And that's in their blue black. I do have to look and see if the Clairol Natural Instincts is the one that I did, because they have a bold and bright Natural Instincts, and I need to see if I did that one or not, or if it's new, then I will definitely try it. I have to go look back on old videos for that. And yeah, if there's any other ones out there that you want to see me try, let me know. There is another, I did get another recommendation for like a Schwarzkopf Royal Agoria. I gotta see if I could get that off eBay or Amazon and see if it's the reformulated one that they're talking about. So hopefully I can get my hands on that one and do that as well. So yeah, I got some new recommendations and we will definitely try them. And if you like this video, let me know, or thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell. Usually I never say that stuff. I don't know why it popped in my head. I don't like forcing people to do something or follow me if they don't like me, and they just want to like see the hair color. So yeah, but if you want to see results, and I promise I will do my best to update on this hair color on my Instagram. It's Nina_Gilhousen, and I keep doing this with my hands. yeah, and if there's any recommendations, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.